Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can install Minikube for your Ubuntu OS. Okay, so basically for installing Minikube you need to have already Docker installed in your system, but we are going to tell you like how you can install first Docker, then Minikube, then we will be installing kubectl. So let's see. And Minikube is required if you are just starting with your like Kubernetes. So in that case, it is required and it's important as well. So you have to basically come upon the official website of this Docker, and you will see here Ubuntu it is. Okay. So first you need to set up this apt repository. So I'll just go copy and do the paste. So basically we do copy paste only for installing things from official documentation, so no any big rocket science here. Okay, so like take it that time, how much time it will take. I think it's done only. After that you need to install this docker. Okay, so that we will do first. Okay, it's done. So let me just clear the screen again and I will just enter this command, and yes, it will take 365 MB space, so that's completely fine. So basically, I will tell you this VM which I'm using currently. It is of 8 GB space, I think, volume, and it's a T2 medium because in T3 micro it might take some more space or something. Okay, it's done. Then next step we have this one, systemctl status. We will check. Okay, it's active and running. You can just type Q to quit. Okay, now you will see one thing like you need to use sudo for using docker. Okay, but you can see hello world also, it's working fine. So if I do docker images, so I will see a error, but if I do sudo docker images, then no error. Okay, so to solve this you need to just go here in the post installation steps. So here you will see you need to do this sudo group at docker you need to do. So already exists, that's fine. Then our user whatever we have, that will be adding into that group. So once it's done, then you will see we need to log out and log back. Okay, you can also run the following command to activate the changes, or we'll just directly type if you see whether it's happening. Okay, so I'll just type exit here, and I'll just try to reconnect. Okay, so I can simply like close this. Let me just close this also. Okay, we'll just wait. Okay, तो अभी क्या करते हैं, docker images if I type, so it's working completely fine. Okay, now the next step is we have to install the Minikube. So here you need to select the Linux, and yeah, I have to do binary download. So the very first command you have to take, and then you have to just do this one, and it will download this binary. Then you need to simply do sudo install. Okay, now if I type Minikube version, so you will see version it is showing. Now if I do Minikube start, and one command is there to start with docker driver. Let me just search. Gemini दे देगा यार कुछ तो. हाँ, hyphen hyphen driver equal to docker. Okay, or you can just do this also, config set driver. So ये टाइप करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स डू Minikube स्टार्ट नाउ. तो ये सारा चीज़ डाउनलोड करेगा. Now let's see how you can install the kubectl. Okay, kubectl install for Ubuntu. Okay, just go into the official site. So here also you can see you need to install the latest release. Okay, तो पहले क्या करना है, फर्स्ट you have to just copy this command, the first command which you are seeing here. So once it's done, then we will start that one. Okay, so basically it creates some containers and all. And with when we will be installing kubectl, then after that, like you can just do whatever Kubernetes commands you run, like get pods, get nodes, get config maps, everything you can just use. So once it's done, okay. Okay, we are seeing Docker mainly out of disk space, which may cause deployment to fail. Okay, you can pass hyphen ever post to skip this check. Okay, okay, it's done actually. So kubectl not found, it is showing, that's completely fine. Now let me just do this curl, and then the next command which we have here, I don't want to validate for now. I just want to this install. So let me just go and install this, and then after that, yeah, I think it will work now. If I do kubectl hyphen hyphen help, so it's coming cool. So if I just do now kubectl get nodes, so it's showing Minikube, right? If I do kubectl get pods, then also nothing we have currently. And if I do get pods hyphen n cube system, so that it will show me all the pods of my cube system namespace. So guys, just to use your Minikube, okay, you need to first install Docker, then your kubectl, then you can just run your own cluster in your local. So that's it for this video, and yeah, if you have any queries, you can just ask in the comment section. So yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.